Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the video. Now we're in the workshop again, and again we've got another tool review from our friends over at Huepar tools. It is another laser level which has kindly been sent out as a gift. We're going to open it up. As you can see, it hasn't been opened yet at all. So we're going to open it up, see what's what, and I'll give you an honest review and a little insight as to what it's all about. I won't be, I'm not paid to lie about it or make out that it's brilliant when it's not. This is my honest review. So I'll get a knife, get this on the table, and we'll have a look at it. Right, simply a guessing game as to what we've got in these three boxes. I would assume that's the actual laser itself. I would assume that this is some sort of tripod. Doesn't say, and I would assume that this is some sort of receiver, I would guess. So I'll just plop them there for now. I'll open up the interesting box. Right, the video might be a little stop-start as I don't want to bore you with opening the boxes and all that malarkey. But this one looks pretty straightforward. Ooh, nice. So it comes in a hard case, plastic. Let's open it up. Ooh, looks like Christmas. And this is what you're greeted with. Again, you got your batteries, your charger. Don't know what that is. Oh, it's to charge your batteries. Wow, that's pretty smart. Obviously, that's your plug. I'll put them behind me for now. Ah, Bluetooth remote control. Nice. Just open that up. Interesting. That comes in handy. Stick with the rubbish behind me for now. Here she is. Wow, that's pretty smart. There we have it, Huepar. Pop that back in there for now. Obviously, you get all your standard brackets for the, I would assume, again, tripod. We'll find out in a second. But yeah, just your standard bits and bobs in your normal scenario. I like the case though, keeps it nice and secure. I'll just pop that there for now. Let's open up the tripod. Yep, there we have it. Now this looks a lot better than what the last tripod I had. Looks a lot more heavy duty, I think. Branded. Yeah, that's pretty smart. Oh, so it's one of them, the whole lot goes up to your different heights. Yeah, there we have it. So I think this can go up to 1.8 meters high, which is all you need really. So what you have is your vertical and then obviously your horizontal. That's a good bit of kit, that is. Right, so let's pop this down. All the way down. Get it back in. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. So far so good. Like I say, I'm not paid by the companies. They just purely send me these out for free, and I just give my honest opinion and just give you a bit of a talk through as to what they are, what's included in the the packaging, etc. Now this, yep, the receiver comes with batteries and obviously a bracket put on a bit of timber. It doesn't actually come with a gauging stick, but you can use a bit of timber, anything like that. And what it looks like is that's the battery pack there, which goes into there, and obviously you shut that. But then you also have the capability of putting standard, you know, AA batteries, these babies, in there, and then also putting that into there as well, which is good, but I find it a little bit strange, if I'm honest. I would have preferred just sort of two of these, because you can charge them on their own without having to be inside of the product itself. Let's turn her on. So you've got a little screen at the back of here. Let me just flip it around and show you. So if you can hear that beeping, that's basically telling me that it's completely out of level, and you need to sort it out. Now it says 0.5 on the x-axis and then 0.9 on the y. So that's telling me that it's slightly off both ways. Now obviously if you've got it sat on the tripod, you can level it up, etc. Now there's also a self-level mode where it does itself. At the minute it's just set to what it's sat on. Well, so it's actually 4-directional. You've got one on the top, one here, and then one on the side, and then there is also one at the bottom. So if you click on the H, hey, what's going on here? Click on the H, which is your horizontal, obviously. So there's one, which is that, and then don't know if you can see, but that one's on. Then also the bottom, and then you can switch your two verticals on there and then there. Wow, that is very clever, very clever indeed. And you can also lock it. So if you've got the right one on that you need, just press the lock button, and then it stays. If you accidentally touch the buttons, it stays on what you want it. And now what we have here is the remote control for the unit itself. So again, you've got your H and your V, you've got your on button, and then you've got F1 and F2. And then also, again, no batteries needed. Just plug the USB in the side, plug it into your traditional socket, and away you go, charging. All in all, very impressed with the product. Everything about it, from build quality wise, price wise, it's very good indeed. Starting with the packaging, comes in a hard box, hard case, which is good. When it's sat in your van and getting bashed around, it doesn't get damaged. It comes with foam, so it protects it anyway inside. You've got everything you need. Obviously the laser itself, 4-directional. I did originally think it was 3-directional, but that surprised me, that one. Again, charger, remote control, batteries, tripod accessories, target finders, etc. Also sending me out the receiver, which is going to come in very handy. Again, tripod, very well built, real sturdy. It should be able to withstand taking a bit of a beating sometimes, which on site, it does. We all know that. Screen on the actual laser itself, you don't normally get things like that. It's normally just your standard on off, vertical, horizontal. Whereas this, it tells you exactly what's what, your battery life, whether it's locked or not, your X and Y axis. So that's it for today's video, guys. Just want to say a massive thank you to Huepar for sending the laser level out for me. Like I said, it was gifted. And if you did like the video, guys, please like, comment and subscribe. It all does help. Comments, likes, the lot. Just want to get back up that algorithm chart. I've currently dropped back down a little bit, but if we can, we'll get back up there in no time at all. That's it for now. Hope to have a couple of more bits of kit to review for you guys and to show you what's what. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.